So VMC 850 Nabu is for especially for die and mold sector. In this machine, we are providing you a electro spindle with 12,000 RPM. Why this electro spindle and 12,000 are important in this machine? Because in die mold sector, the high RPM is required for more surface finish, and this machine will provide you the same. Due to electro spindle, the power transmission and losses are very less in this machine. To tell you more about this VMC, we can also add fourth and fifth axis on this machine, which will give you a edge on more critical jobs where we can need to rotate the jobs. If we talk about the specification of this machine has a table size of 1000 mm and 510 mm, and the working area is around 820 mm plus 510 mm and 510 mm in Z axis. In this machine, we can also add fourth and fifth axis, which give you flexibility and more accuracy on the part where we need to rotate the part.